Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards credit card. All right. Now, you guys know not many secured credit cards are going to give you any kind of cash back, cash rewards, or anything. As a matter of fact, Quicksilver is actually the level 2 of the traditional Capital One credit card tiers. So for them to make this a secure credit card, guys, that's huge because most secure credit cards are not giving you anything. Okay. But with this one, you can earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, where you'll get Capital One's best prices on thousands of trips options. Okay. And then you can also get an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase everywhere. Best of all, there's no annual fee. Interest rates are going to vary around about 28%. And the recommended credit for this is no credit history at all. So if you're looking for a secure credit card where you can get some perks, this will be a great option. Of course, you can apply for this if you want to, and you can go ahead and then start that process right off the back, or you can click at the link right at the top. All right. But of course, if you want to see what other secure credit card options that there are other credit card options available as well too on that same link. Okay, and we may do a video on that as well. So of course, if you guys like this video, like it, you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, and you got nothing but great content well on the way. All right, see you guys on the next video.